channel. It's VLOGMAS day 17. So today we're on a hunt to go find deodorant, guys. We're on the hunt because, you know, I need deodorant like ASAP. Dollar Tree, they're like bags like you put all the presents in, and like in Starbucks, like I love Starbucks. I didn't get it yesterday. I got water beads yesterday, but I didn't get Starbucks. Some Christmas crunch, her snowflake crunch. I don't know if I'll put clips into that or not, but today is just very gloomy and it's not really good to be out because I don't get sick. It looks like the weather that you'll get sick in, so we ain't trying to be like that on Christmas. I did put makeup on, but I only put like how would you say it? Like I only did my brows. I put my number 7 powder, and I just put a little bit of bronzer left over on my brush, and then I put blush, and then I put a little bit of highlight, like whatever was left on the what was ever left on the brush, I did put it on my face, and I didn't do mascara or anything. So my OOTD is this like mustard orange sweater, long sleeve, with my Adidas pants, and then my checkerboard slip-on pants, and then my, because I need something with the hood. So this is what I look like, honestly. I look a little comfy. I couldn't find like my joggers, my black joggers. I couldn't find them, so I was gonna wear those instead. But I haven't worn these in a while, so I just put it on my Adidas. I don't know what to call these pants, but you know what I mean. We haven't eaten breakfast or anything, and I'm kind of hungry. Hopefully I can get Starbucks, and I'm thinking about just getting a cookie because I've never tried the cookie, and I really want it warm. So look, guys, I washed my hair yesterday. Look at that. Very flowy, you know, healthy looking, fresh, you know what I'm trying to say. And let me know down in the comments if y'all want to know what's in my new purse tour. I don't know if y'all want to know, really. I know I like to know what people have in their purse, but I don't know if y'all want to know what I have in my purse. So today is just like a really like a hunt of finding a good deodorant that I would hopefully enjoy. I've been wanting to bake a pineapple cake 2 days already, and I was supposed to make it, but it was getting too late for me to make it. So hopefully maybe I can make it today, or I could probably make it in the weekend. I don't know, but I've been wanting like pineapple cake. So yeah, and it'll probably be a chill day. So this probably is vlog, guys. I'm so sorry, it might be really short, like probably 10 minutes, 8 minutes, I don't know yet. But okay guys, I'll see y'all later.
Thank you.
Hey boo, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm finally home. I got me some Starbies, and I got me a warm chocolate chip cookie, and that was amazing. I didn't know the cookie had like kind of like a little taste of cinnamon, but it didn't, and it was pretty good. I actually liked it. And I got McDonald's. I got a kids burger. You know me, I can't really eat like a big meal all the time, so I get like kids meals, you know. But I got my dad's gift in. I got him Crocs, so I'm gonna just wrap this one present, and then I'm gonna show y'all real quick stocking stuffers I got. Maybe I can show y'all like me just putting them in the stockings. And I found these 2 deodorants. I didn't know which one, so I got this travel size of Old Spice Swagger one. It's antidepressant and deodorant, so I want to try this one out. So I got a mini one because, you know, I don't want to buy the big bottle. But I did buy the big Dove Even Tone Calming Breeze. I want to see if this one works. I mean, the even tone, I mean, because like when it's dry, it gets like kind of dark. So like, that's why I like, ugh. So I got this even tone one. Hopefully it works. And I got the Calming Breeze. I don't know if I said that or not. But I got these 2 deodorants. And then I got this one. This smells really good. I was going to get the one with the Focus Boo Boo. Like, my camera hates me or what? I don't know actually, but it smells good. It smells really good. It smells like a man. Oh my god. Focus Boo Boo. But yeah. So, I'm gonna wrap this present and showing like stocking little stuffers that we bought. And then I got some stuff for the giveaway, but I forgot to get one more thing. So probably in tomorrow's video, sometime close, I'll be doing like a giveaway one. And yeah, guys, I want to do the giveaway. Wrap this real quick. Hopefully I got wrapping paper. So let me open up the back so it can be like aired out. There's so much air and I don't want to just wrap so much air. So I got the pink drink and it was amazing. But it came out like weird looking. Like a hot pink, not the light pink, but you know. Weird. Okay, I don't even know if I have some wrapping paper for it. Oh yeah, I will. Okay, good. Y'all can't even see me do it. I'll just go backwards. Oh. But yeah, we went some stocking stuff for shopping because we haven't done like really anything for the stocking. So should I do polka dot for him or should I do snowflake? I think I'm gonna do a snowflake for my dad. So I'll just flip it. But yeah, and we need to get more wrapping paper because remember yesterday I used all of it. So I don't know if we need more wrapping paper honestly, but yeah. Where's my tape? Oh, I didn't get my stuff ready. Danyel is unprepared today. Oh, and I got new pens. I got the Sharpie pens. And they look freaking cool. So, I got the Sharpie gel pens. I think they're new. They should be new. Because I saw them on a commercial ad on my phone when I was watching YouTube. And they look so nice. So, I went to go crop at H-E-B. You buy one, you get the second one free. So, I got a 2-pack, but I gave one to my mom because I didn't need so many black pens. So, and they write really smoothly. So, it's shown that they write really smooth and they're like the shit. So, I'm going to see if they are when I put my dad's name on here. So. I'm gonna give him the candy cane one because it's longer. So I'll put it right here. Where's my pins? There it is. So, oh, this is a new one. I want to open up the new one. We still needed to film a video, so I did that for my dad. Okay. We're done, and I'm just gonna show y'all like some stockings at first that we got. So we got like sprees. We got like some gift bags for like other years for like toys and stuff, and some filler paper. And we got some Scarbies, the pink ones, because these are amazing. We got the Ferrero Rocher balls. We got Rice Krispies. We got these cookie things. We got some beef jerky. We got some Nutella. We got cheeses. We got turtles. Oreos, Slim Jim, Jolly Ranchers, and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go put everything in the stockings right now, so you're gonna see me put some things in the stockings already. So let's get right into it. So y'all saw what I did. I was Santa for a quick second. So I was organizing everybody's little stocking stuffers, and I got almost everybody done. I just need like certain things. So I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my videos. Wrapping one present, my last present to wrap. But yes, I'm gonna hurry up and edit this video right now so y'all can see and y'all can enjoy what I got. Some goodies, some stocking stuffers, deodorant I got. Had Starbucks, that was amazing, you know. But yeah, I'll for sure do the giveaway video. Will be coming up very soon, so look out for that. And I think that's probably it. I hope you guys have an amazing night. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please turn on your notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. And if you haven't watched any of my recent Vlogmas, check them out. I have a little playlist video of all my Vlogmas from day 1 to now. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!
At the Christmas party hop.